guys, it's Shani and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I'm doing a first impression swatches and eating test on the Kylie Jenner lip kit. So I have the liquid lipstick in the shade Exposed. Oh, so excited for this one. And then I have all of the metal liquid lipsticks, and then I also have all of the glosses as well. So let's jump straight into this because these have been sitting here for at least 2 weeks and I'm dying to try them out. Let's go, let's go. Let's start with the shade Exposed. I'm hoping that this one is just going to be like an everyday nice nude wearable color. All the other shades in her lip kit I feel aren't like an everyday shade. I don't like wearing pinks, I don't like wearing dark nudes. I like just like a basic light nude. So let's do this. This is what it looks like here. It definitely looks a lot more peach in this packaging than this one here. Can I just say the packaging for these products are absolutely amazing, and they did come in 2 weeks, which I think is pretty good coming from overseas. So I'm just gonna wipe my lip gloss off my lips right now so we can do this swatch. Can't wait. So I'm just gonna start lining my lips. It literally feels like I'm just rubbing butter on my lips. It's so nice and it feels really moisturizing as well. So now let's go in with the actual liquid lipstick. It smells exactly like the other ones. Very like candy cupcake smelling. It's really strong. Ooh. This definitely is a lot darker than I had hoped. As you can see on the box as well, my lips look a lot more peachy than on here. On here it definitely looks more nudie brown. So this is what Exposed looks like. I think it's really pretty. I think it's perfect for like an everyday wear. It's super easy to pull off. I put it on about 20 seconds ago and it's already dry. It feels super moisturizing, and I would have to say this would be one of my favorite shades in the whole range. Gorgeous. I feel like I'm going to be doing a lot of eating in this video. I'm going to grab something to eat and see how well this lasts on my lips. Usually when I wear lipstick and liquid lipstick and stuff, it does come off a little bit just because obviously when you're eating the liquid lipstick at the same time. So I'm going to grab some food. And did you know that a woman eats at least one lipstick in their lifetime? I heard that on BuzzFeed and I think it's true because I eat a lot of lipstick. Cheers to some water. I'm just going to drink normally like how I always do. Lick my lips a little bit, see how it goes. This is the best video I've ever had to film. I can eat at the same time. So as you can see right here, it has faded off a little bit where I've been like drinking and eating and stuff. So obviously if you were to get this and use it, you'd have to take it with you throughout the day to reapply, but that's the same with every liquid lipstick. Overall though, I do think it has a nice lasting power when you're eating and drinking. It only faded a very, very small amount. So let's move on to the next shade. Oh my goodness, these are so hard to get off. That's how you know they're gonna last a pretty long time on your lips. Gotta put some foundation over my lips because it looked like I had a serious pash rash from rubbing that off so hard. Now let's move on to the metals. I'm super excited about these because obviously it's not something that you would usually have in your collection, something that's really shimmery. So I have all 3 shades. We have Rain, King K, and here. Air. It's called Air. I remember people correcting me last time. Okay, so let's start with Hair. It is just a really nice bronzy gold shade by the looks of the packaging. This is the lighter shade. Ooh. This is very moussey. Oh my god, I actually love this color so much. And you definitely can't really see the shimmers throughout it. It's very, very subtle. It's still something different. I wouldn't say that this one's as pigmented as the matte liquid lipsticks. It's more of like a sheer consistency. So I am building it up a little bit. So this is what Hair looks like, if that's how you even say it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's so incredibly wearable. I actually didn't think any of the metallics would be wearable at all because they do have like little shimmers in it. So basically what this is like a light pinky nude with gold, like light gold reflex in it, and it is stunning. Alright, girlfriend, it's time to do some eating and drinking. So I don't think this one will last as well as the mattes, obviously, because I don't think it is a matte. It does feel a little bit wet still, and when you touch it, it does come off a tiny, tiny bit on your fingers. So let's see how well this lasts. I'm actually obsessed with this. Yay, I'm so happy. Yeah, it is coming off on the cap up here, so I couldn't imagine it lasting as long. Who else agrees that the new shapes don't taste as good? I'm so let down. So as you can see on the lid there, it's definitely come off and transferred all over there. Let's see what it looks like. As you can see, it has come off in patches. Just here. Touch her up. We're all good to go. As you can see, it does look a little tiny bit patchy when you reapply. The next metal that I have here is called King K. So this one's more of a bronzy shade, and I do think this one will be more like intense because it is a bit darker. So let's see what this one looks like. Whoa, this one is a lot more opaque than the one I just tried. I'm actually really impressed with the formula of these products. They're very different to the matte formulas, but they still work really nice, and they just feel beautiful on the lips. I'm so impressed. So that's what King K looks like. I actually do think it's such a beautiful shade, but I think it's more for like a special occasion, like a festival or something, because it is really shimmery and really metallic. I would say that hair is a lot more wearable, and this one could be worn on like a daily basis. The last metal that we have here is called Rain. This one is really intense. I don't know how this is going to look on me, but it's basically like a reddy maroon kind of color. Copper, I don't know. Whoa, this is really pigmented, really opaque. So this is what Rain looks like. I'm actually obsessed with this. The color, it's just so unique. You can't really see too much shimmer. You can definitely see that's metallic, but it's not like over the top. It's not like chunky glitter. Wow, I just went on my tooth. It's just like a really nice subtle glow to the lips. Now we have the 3 glosses to try out. These ones I'm super excited about because they look amazing on her like Instagram when she's swatching them. They just look super opaque, and it looks like you don't even need a lipstick underneath. You could just wear it on its own. So let's see if that's actually the case. So I'm going to start with So Cute, which is the lightest nude color. These are all nudes, which is like totally up my alley. Yes. I love this. The color payoff is amazing. It's just like super stringy when you pull it out. This color is everything. I wish they had this in a matte liquid lipstick, like this color, a light nude. It's the perfect nude color. Oh my god. Why is it taking so long to apply? I kind of wish it was like a doe foot applicator. That would be so much easier. So that's what the So Cute gloss looks like. I think it's absolutely amazing. The quality, oh yeah, it's on point. So the color payoff is incredible. You can definitely see how it just lightened my lips up. It's super glossy. It's not sticky, and it kind of tastes a bit gross. Not gonna lie. I would have to say this would be one of my favorite shades that I've tried from the whole Kylie cosmetic range. I'm super happy with that one. So let's have a little drink and see how it goes. This is like always the ultimate test with lip glosses. I don't think I've ever had one that actually lasts though. I mean, come on. It's all over the bottle. I'm literally not even hungry. Doing it for the video. I'm actually pretty impressed with how well it stayed on while I was eating. I can see that the color has faded a little bit. It's not as like opaque, but it still is all over my lips. You just have to like rub your lips together after you've eaten, and it still has like a nice coat. It's just not as thick. Now trying on the shade Literally. This one is the middle gloss shade. So as you can see, this is the one that I just tried on. It is a lot darker. So let's see how this one goes. Wow. This is nice. I would say that this shade's kind of like a Your Lip color but better shade. It is very similar to my lip color with foundation. I do feel like it would be a good idea to apply a lip liner before the gloss, because it is kind of hard to make the line nice and precise with a gloss because it is kind of runny. I'm just gonna try and blend it out with my fingers, just along the edges. So that's what Literally looks like. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I still would prefer the lighter shade more just because I like a lighter lip, but this one still is really nice. I feel like this would be a lip color that would just suit any makeup look, like anything. Colorful eyes, neutral eyes, just because it is so basic but in a good way. Maybe the word's versatile. The last gloss shade that we have here is called Like. So this one is the darkest nude of the lot. Whoa, that is really dark. It almost looks like a purpley mauvey kind of color instead of a nude. A little bit really does go a long way. I only just pulled it out and it's already done my whole bottom lip. I would have to say Like is my least favorite one. I just don't think it matches my skin tone really well, but I think it would look absolutely amazing on a woman or a man of color. And then the other two that I shared with you would be good for pale skin to my skin tone. So quick little overview of the products. I really like the shade Exposed. I just wish it was a tad bit lighter, but I do definitely see myself wearing it. It is super wearable. Then with the metals, I actually really like these. I didn't think I would. It's funny how like I thought these would be the products I would like the least, but I kind of like them the most nearly. So my favorite, as I said, is Hair. I'm probably like butchering all of these names. King K, it's alright, maybe for like a festival or something. And then the maroon one was absolutely stunning. Like, I was really shocked that I love that one. As far as the lip glosses go, I do think you would only need one shade that kind of suits your skin tone, because that's all that's really necessary. As I said, my favorite is so cute. I freaking love it so much. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. I will leave Kylie's website down below if you guys are interested. She launches like all the date times and stuff for when these are going on sale on her app, but you can find it on her Instagram and stuff. I don't have her app because you get charged like $5 a month, like every month. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do that down below so you don't miss any future videos. I'm going to be doing a first impression on the black liquid lipstick and also the black and blue one, and she did just say that she's coming out with 2 new ones. So I'm just going to grab all of them and share them with you guys, just so you don't have to waste your money, and I can recommend different shades for different people and show you if they're really good. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys! And PS, I'm going to go have a big meal, and I'm going to leave one of these products that I shared in today's video on my lips, and I'm just going to update you guys in the description box with how it lasted with like a full meal.